Hello everyone, and welcome to this video on the Mausoleum build for Sullivan Scarefest 2018. The theme for our front room this year is a graveyard, so I was trying to figure out a way to incorporate the TV on the wall into the theme. Since we'll be using scene setters on the wall, I didn't want the TV to spoil the illusion. I was trying to come up with an idea similar to what we did with the ticket booth a few years back to try to hide the TV. I decided to build a faux front section of a mausoleum to go around the TV and try to use that area where there would be windows in the doors to allow the TV to show through. The plan will be to play a loop of something creepy lurking inside the mausoleum, trying to get out. I started by doing some basic measurements and trying to figure out where the doors and windows should be so that the TV would line up correctly behind it. I put together 2 cardboard doors and cut a window section to match where the TV would be. I applied fake bars using foam poster board strips. I painted the doors, created fake metal frames around the windows, and added handles. I'm hoping to eventually run a fake chain through the handles to give it a locked-up look. Next, I worked on the different sections of the front. I used sections of rolled cardboard taped together for the 2 pillars. I covered them with a stone pattern that I had printed out on sheets of paper and applied with a glue stick. For the sides, I created matching L-shaped sections that'd be for the front and sides of the structure. The sides will go flush to the wall to give the illusion that it's a 4-sided structure. I then covered those sections with a stone scene setter pattern. For the top, I created a triangular section. I spray painted the front section to give it a stone look, and placed that same scene setter on the top. I then placed some decorative trim around the front edges. I may go back and place some sort of decorative design or nameplate on the front. I haven't decided for sure yet. This top section will overhang the sides a bit. It'll be supported in the back by the 2 sections on the sides, and in the front by the 2 pillars. I wanted it to stick out a bit to give the illusion of depth, so it might look a little less two-dimensional. So at this point, I have all the sections of the mausoleum ready to go. Since this thing is about 8 feet tall and about 8 to 10 feet wide, there is no way I can put it together until right before the party. So the pieces are all wrapped up and stored in the garage until then. Still working on what creepy creature will be lurking inside, and a few decorative finishing touches, but otherwise this is pretty much ready to go. I plan on putting out a follow-up video closer to the party that shows the final assembly and the finished product. Hopefully we'll make a creepy and fun addition to this year's party. Thank you for watching, and happy haunting!